about pink? That's a big mark right there. And then here. So I'm using a liner brush. Let's see what we come up with. Okay. All right, that's enough of the pink. Let's try something else. Take some of that icky color I just made, blend it with some white, a bit of the black, mostly with white, and let's do another one right here. So it looks kind of a bluish gray. It's like a neutral. There we go. Do a bit more there. And then I'm going to put some little marks over here. Balance it. Some over there. I'm going to put a little bit of that. And then here. All right, let me see what we got on here. I don't know if I'm ready for green. It's kind of a greeny yellow. So I didn't clean my brush and I just went right into the yellow, and here's what we got. Not too crazy about it. So let's clean the brush off. And what color? So orange is a complement of blue. Let's mix some orange. There's a nice orange right there. That didn't show up too well. All right, give it a little bit more yellow. Okay. It's too transparent. I think I gotta put some white down so it has a base. All right. Okay. There we go. Okay. I'll mix some more yellow in with it. Oh, it needs more white. So I'll put some white in there to make it more opaque. And let's see, I'll put a little bit more magenta and the yellow. I've got a real mess on my brush here. Okay. Let's see, there we go. I'm trying to cover the grain of the canvas underneath. All right. Let's get a different brush. Change up your brushes or else all your marks will look the same. All right. I'll go over this. There we go. Well, it's kind of, it's a work in progress, guys. All right, let's get this white on here. And you just keep Keep making marks. Marks, 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 marks. And remember your sides. Same marks have to go down there. Okay, so let's get some pink happening here. I'm going to mix some pink, magenta, and white. Okay, it's got a hint of orange in it too. All right. Now let's go continue this line. There we go. All right. I am going to take some of this paint. It's all blobbed on here. I have a different brush. Let's get some little dabs going. And here. Okay. Well, let's think about that one for a while. This one's looks like it's almost dry. Okay. This looks like a mess. It's what you call the ugly stage. What I'm going to do is like this. Got a big hunk of the black. And you just keep making marks. Marks, 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 marks. And remember your sides. Same marks have to go down there. Okay, so let's get some pink happening here. I'm going to mix some pink, magenta, and white. Okay, it's got a hint of orange in it too. All right. Now let's go continue this line. There we go. All right. I am going to take some of this paint. It's all blobbed on here. I have a different brush. Let's get some little dabs going. And here. Okay, this is a bit cleaner. I'm gonna put some little tiny marks here with that beautiful blue. Let's get some in here as well. More of this blue. I'm going to put it right here. All right. Okay. Should I stop on this one? All right. Here's the final project. I have actually marked it a bit with Posca pens. I couldn't resist. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if so, please remember to subscribe. I really appreciate you watching. Thank you. Have a fabulous day.